In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data not working on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it one more time and turn it off. Now after you turn off airplane mode, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your Samsung phone. Now just extract your SIM card tray, and from here just remove your SIM card and insert it back in, and make sure it is inserted properly. And after you do that, now just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now after you do that, then go to settings and go to connection. From here, just tap on data usage, then tap on data saver. Now if data saver is enabled on your Samsung phone, just turn it off. Then go back and tap on billing cycle and data warning. Now from here, just disable set data warning and also disable set data limit. And after you disable both of these options, then go back and under the connection settings, just tap on mobile networks. From here, just tap on access point names, then tap on the three dots over here and select reset to default. Tap on reset, then just select your SIM card in which your mobile data is not working and tap on the plus icon. Now just tap on name. Now just type internet over here. Then tap on OK. Then tap on APN and type internet over here and select OK. Then select save, and after that just tap on internet over here. Now after you select internet, then go back to the main settings page and tap on general management. From here just tap on reset, and on this page just select reset mobile network settings. Now from this drop down arrow just select your SIM card, then select reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on reset, and once you do that, you will reset all the network settings on your smartphone. And this option will not delete any data on your Samsung phone. It will only reset all the network settings of your Samsung phone. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon and select restart. And this is how you can fix mobile data not working on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.